Hi, my name is Robert Shelley, and I'm an attorney that assists physicians in getting better employment contracts without getting taken advantage of by the employer. One question I get quite often is, what is tail insurance? So, if the physician has a claims-made policy, then they will have to purchase tail insurance when the employment relationship ends. And so what that means is a claims-made policy only covers the physician when the claim is actually made. So it's possible that when you leave an employer, you can get sued, a year, 2 years later. And so there has to be a tail policy which covers the gap in between the last patient that you provided services to and then the last day that the statute of limitations ends. So who has to pay for tail? Well, that's spelled out in the employment agreement. That's always kind of a key point of negotiation, especially if you're in a high-risk specialty. Sometimes the tail costs can be astronomical. A good rule of thumb is tail is about twice what your annual premium is. As far as how often the employer makes you pay for tail, it depends who you're employed with. If you're with a big hospital or health network, then generally you won't have to pay for tail ever. If you're with the federal government, you won't ever have to pay for tail. If you're with a smaller physician group, probably 50-50. But that's certainly something you can negotiate. But it absolutely needs to be spelled out in the contract. I've had clients in the past where it's not clear, and then there was a fight at the end of the when the employment relationship ended about who has to pay for tail. And that's never a fun thing. So anyway, we've created a cheat sheet, which kind of goes into more detail below. You can download that. Or if you have any questions, please contact my office. Thank you.